All right, y'all. I am sick and tired of cooking all the time. So I told Jeff, no cooking for me today. He's in charge.
And this is what I chose, Buc-ees.
We are spending the day at Buc-ees, the world's largest gas station convenience store.
And it's based in Texas and we're right outside of Houston.
And you know they say everything's bigger in Texas.
We're gonna get fuel, we're gonna eat 3 meals here, and we're gonna indulge in some junk food.
Yeah, my gut already hurts, but let's do it.
Let's check it out.
Breakfast. So you want a breakfast taco, croissant, biscuit? What do you want?
Breakfast taco.
Breakfast taco. What do you want?
They got like a...
Breakfast beast burrito.
That's what I want.
That's probably a big one.
Well, let's check it out. Sounds good.
It's got double egg, double bacon, double sausage, double potatoes, double cheese in a large, so it's a big one.
Oh, do you want to split that or?
Yeah, let's split that.
Let's split that.
Complete order.
So we are...
Order $9.49.
We need to get coffee. Can't get enough coffee. I think that's probably enough. You want to share?
No, I want my own.
Actually, they have pretty good coffee. We'll have to fast tomorrow. We did have lettuce for dinner last night.
We did have salad. We had chicken salad last night for dinner, but I'm going to gain 10 pounds today.
Hi there.
Hello. Good.
Hello.
How are you?
Doing great, thank you. Is this a new cup?
Yes. Yes.
What you put in it is free for the first time you buy. When you
Oh, okay.
Oh, very nice.
14.
Wow.
Woo. First impression of Buc-ees is amazing.
Amazing.
Where am I going to put this
That-
big ass thing?
I don't know, but it's huge. Look at this. Look at this. How am I going to eat this?
I'm going to put a little sauce on
Okay.
it. Okay.
Cheers.
Yep.
That's good.
I'd say that's fresh. That's really good.
That is really good.
Yeah.
This is. These are really good.
It's only 248 pumps to choose from. I chose this one. Number 203.
All right, so if you need ice, come to Buc-ees. Follow me. 1, 2. Seven. But wait, there's more. Keep coming. 14. 20. Keep coming. 21. 26. 30. 40. Keep coming. 41. 48 ice containers.
Big ass hat.
I'm ready. Let's go. Yeehaw.
Oh, darling. Oh, that one's even cuter. Yeah,
What
I
it looks like. Have home decor.
A little bit, huh? You got a little home decor section.
Oh, there's your shirt, baby.
No.
Wow.
It's just not my style. I'm a lot more classy than that. I'm more sophisticated. I can't even say the word. I'm more sophisticated than this.
Okay, this is a Walmart, Target, whatever you want to say. It's got it all: groceries, toys, clothes, food.
But it feels mini mart-ish.
It definitely
Just
feels
like a
mini
big
mart.
mini mart with like all kinds of different things.
But I've never been in a mini mart that has all of this stuff. I mean, look at my new hat. I like these, baby.
Cute, huh?
Fins up, baby.
Fins up.
Fins up.
Fins up. All right, those restrooms are immaculate.
They're clean.
Oh my God, is
well,
it
they're
clean?
the world famous
They-
cleanest restrooms.
The restrooms are insanely clean. So,
I have to go in mine.
yeah, so paper towels, hand sanitizer, and individual stalls. Like the only thing they're missing is a bathroom attendant.
Well, now I have to go in.
Yeah, if you don't, yeah, you stop. You gotta go in the bathroom.
Hill Country brand garlic beef, teriyaki, mesquite pepper, peppered beef, hot and spicy beef. Wow. Wow. How do you choose? I don't know how to choose. Wow. The jerky just keeps going. Oh, chocolate covered pecans. Pecans.
Oh, there they are. Maybe we gotta get those right now.
Beaver Nuggets.
There's a midday snack, a mid-morning snack.
Mid-morning snack.
Yeah, mid-morning snack.
Okay.
Okay.
Good morning. So we got some Beaver Nuggets for our mid-morning snack.
Like we need one.
Snack number one. Like we need it after we ate that burrito. But these are, we have been told that this is a must-do when you come to Buc-ee's. So let's try it.
Yeah, open them up.
Trying. Wow. Oh.
They smell like.
Oh, smell that.
Oh, what is that? Caramely kind of.
It's like caramel corn without the major crunch.
It's like a puff thing.
It is. People have said that it's like Captain Crunch cereal and caramel corn mixed, and it's.
Wow.
I believe them.
Okay. It's really, really sweet.
That's really, really sweet.
Really sweet. Like, what?
Really, really sweet.
That's. Oh man, that's good. It's just, it's really sweet.
Wow. Wow. That's really sweet. I have to take some water. I have to have some water. That's really sweet. Woo.
Man, those are good.
Wow. Those are good. They are sweet. Yum.
1, 2, 3, 4 Slurpee stations. That's what I'm talking about. All right, it's lunchtime. Look at this place.
It's crazy. All right. I don't think that there's enough choices here for my pop.
What flavor are you getting there?
Root beer, Buc-ee's root beer. Look, I don't think we need this much.
We gotta get our money's
She's
worth.
filled up.
Okay. I gotta taste the Buc-ee's root beer here. You go first.
It's pretty good. I'm dripping. It's pretty good.
It's pretty legit.
Yeah. Okay, let's go get some food. So pulled pork.
Pulled pork.
Here's sliced brisket.
That sounds good.
Lunch is served. We got some beaver chips, our big thing of root beer. Can we maybe, this is pulled pork and sliced brisket.
And some extra barbecue sauce. Fresh made.
$5.99.
Fresh made daily. How much are they?
$5.99.
$5.99 each?
Yep.
It's a little bit more than the breakfast burrito, but
And the chips are $1.29. And they just look like they're thinly sliced potatoes.
yeah. Cooked,
Oh, they're crunchy.
lightly salted.
Those are good.
Pretty good.
Not bad. You ready?
Yep. That's good.
It's got like a smoky flavor.
I'm not a big fan of smoky, but that actually has a little smoky
Yeah, I
flavor.
don't like smoke, but that's pretty good.
Oh,
So I finally had to use the restroom. You can eat off the floor in there.
I wouldn't recommend it.
I wouldn't recommend it, but that is the cleanest bathroom I have ever been into. It's cleaner than mine right now.
I've been in there 3 times today, and every time there's been somebody in there cleaning.
That's crazy.
So it must be somebody full-time in there cleaning.
Yeah, there was a lady in mine cleaning.
Nice.
It's the cleanest bathroom. No shortage on the chickens here and the roosters. The moo cows. Salted caramel, please. What? Yep.
Brisket's up.
Brisket's up. I get brisket's on the board. Speak to me.
Sausage on the stick looks pretty good. It's got a tortilla shell around it. That and get a little barbecue sauce put on it.
We'll get it.
Y'all found some good stuff today.
Yeah. Well, it's our 3rd time in here today, so.
Oh, nice. Yeah, what do y'all think of it? It's pretty crazy,
It's
huh?
awesome.
It is.
Yeah, it's definitely something else.
Here is barbecue sauce. So, we are at meal number 3 and snack dessert. Meal number 3. Did I say that? 3 at Buc-ee's. Roasted pecans and chicken strips.
So we tried to get a little more information when we were in there this time.
Wow.
Almost everything is. Oh,
They look pretty good.
that does look pretty good. Everything's cooked.
They get no barbecue sauce.
Everything is cooked fresh daily.
Mm-hmm.
All
Right
their
there.
baked goods, their puddings are all made fresh daily, and I mean almost everything. And I'll tell you what, there's a lot of good-looking food in. I mean, And everything we've had so far has been good, except for your brisket you weren't totally happy with, but
My pulled pork.
or pulled pork.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll
But
see.
that's- I
See
mean,
how this is.
we'll see.
I don't know. I mean, I thought I'd just try something different, and
And Buc-ee's was established in 1982.
I guess a sausage dog kind of thing, wrapped in a tortilla. It's kind of different, but
Oh, hot, hot.
all right, I'm good.
I'm gonna wonder why they put a tortilla around it.
I don't know. We'll put a little of their barbecue sauce on there. Their barbecue sauce is really good.
I'm gonna steal some of your barbecue sauce because I didn't get no barbecue sauce.
All right, I got 3 of them.
Oh, pretty good.
Yeah. You got gravy. All right, the main course was pretty dang good. Now it's time for some Buc-ee's banana pudding.
Dessert!
Thing looks pretty full. Ooh. What do we got here?
That's a wafer. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
That is so good.
Okay. Wow, not what I expected.
All right, let me get some wafer here.
Wow. I had it mixed just right the first bite. I mean,
All right. Wow.
okay, that's legit. I never, right from a gas station.
I never thought that it would taste this good.
Okay,
Wow.
That is good. We gotta get away from this place. We gotta get out of here. Oh,
Okay.
It's really good.
We gotta try some other stuff here.
All right, one more bite. You open that. I'm gonna have another bite of this.
Pecans. Roasted pecans.
That is really
Okay.
good.
Look at that. Look at that thing. Look at it.
Actually, that has gotta be.
Just look at that.
I'm drooling just thinking about it.
Grab yourself one.
You ready?
I'm ready. They're still kind of warm. Oh.
It's a little warm still, man.
It's a little warm still.
Okay. Oh my.
Okay. Last.
Why are you putting them away?
Well, because we gotta try it all.
Alright. Last dessert
Fudge.
item. What did we get? Sea salt?
Caramel sea salt.
Caramel sea salt.
I don't have.
Well.
Oh, we can just take our spoon. Maybe. There we go. I got a chunk. Ready?
Ding.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow. This is no joke. This stuff is, if it's bad, we'll tell you. Just like Nema's sandwich. She didn't like it that much. I thought it was okay. Everything
Forget
else,
the food and go straight to the desserts. That's all
I don't
I'm
know
saying.
what to tell you.
Oh my gosh.
Lights out. Oh man. Holy
Buc-ee's
moly.
has got it going on.
It's just got a little of that sea salt crunch kind of.
On the top it's got sea salt.